Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Kinetic energy changes can be tricky, but we can solve this physics problem fast. Let's use the work energy theorem to find the right answer. First, remember that the change in kinetic energy is exactly equal to the net work done on the cart. We just need to calculate the work using force and displacement. The student pushes with 2 newtons over 1.5 meters. Since the force is opposite to the motion, the angle between them is 180 degrees. This is key. Multiply force by distance and the angle's cosine. 2 times 1.5 times -1 equals -3 joules. This is option C. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs, trust given values, and check your steps carefully.